Gold 5-minute time frame. Buy here. Second take profit done. Third take profit done. Sell here. Buy signal. Book your profit. Again, buy signal. Sell here. Buy here. Book your profit. Sell here. Buy signal. Book your profit. Third take profit done. Sell here. Second take profit done. Third take profit done. Buy here. Sell here. Book your profit. Buy here. Book profit. Again, buy signal. Book your profit. Third take profit done. Sell signal. Book your profit. Buy here. Second take profit done. This indicator name is Next Level 5 10/20/25. This indicator works on all markets like stock, Forex, crypto, Indian market, etc. This indicator works on all time frames like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day. This indicator is 100% non-repaint. You can see it. This indicator win rate is 99.9%. Do you want to get this indicator? Contact on my WhatsApp